Welcome to another day of Smokin' with Joe. Today we're going to make one of my favorite summer foods, and that is smoked hamburger. That's right, we're going to whip together a recipe here that works every time. It's one of my favorites. And then we're going to throw it into the smoker and finish it off on the grill for that perfect finish. So make sure you stick around to the very end to see how it all turns out. As well, we'll be showing you a discount coupon code for some great deals at bradleysmoker.com. You don't want to miss that. Okay, let's get making the patties here. So to start with, I've got 1 pound of lean ground grass-fed beef. I've got 1 egg, I've got a 1/4 cup of whipping cream, and I've got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I've got 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and a teaspoon of coarse ground pepper. I've got 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and I've got a very small onion that I've diced up as finely as I could. As well, we've got a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, so that goes in at the end. So this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna mix it all together. Now let's start with the egg here. Okay, add a little bit of the cream here. Beautiful. Garlic powder. And salt and pepper. So, you know, I'd sprinkle it out, try to throw it around a bit. 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. And of course, the onions. And about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Perfect. And just mix it all up. This is a nice recipe because it stays nice and moist. You always have nice texture to your hamburger patties. The breadcrumbs act as a binder, and so does the egg, so you want to mix it fairly thoroughly. Okay, well, I think that's about it. So, just so that I have nice, even patties, stick this off to the side here. Make it into a ball. Now I'm going to make it into a bit of a roll and cut them all the same length. That's pretty good. All right, so let's see how this is going to turn out. So all I'm going to do is cut it in half and then cut it into quarters. That's it. I'm going to make 4 big patties. I just want to push an indentation into the top of the burger here. As they cook, they tend to expand in the center, so I want to keep them relatively flat. Okay, these are ready to go into the smoker. Perfect. Super simple setup. I'm going to use 4 hickory biscuits. Set the temperature to 225. I'm going to set the time for 1 hour and 20 minutes. And I'll give it 1 hour and 20 minutes worth of smoke. Okay. Not bad, they turned out quite nicely. I think next time I'll give them an extra 40 minutes of smoke. It's a little bit light, but it's still there. It's quite lovely. The patties reached about 140 inside the smoker, in case you were wondering. That was at 1 hour and 20 minutes. Putting them on the barbecue definitely brought the temperature up to 160, which is where you want them. But other than that, great recipe. They're going to taste wonderful in a hamburger, so all good. And as promised, here's the discount coupon code for some great deals over at bradleysmoker.com. Make sure you get over there and check them out. I think we're just gonna cut it.